Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is kind of special. I've been waiting for this package to come for so long. The story is I was looking on eBay for camera rig things. Right now this is really my camera rig. It's not really a rig, it's just a camera. It's a pretty good camera, Nikon. It's kind of old. But anyway, I decided what the heck, it's time to upgrade my rig. So I was looking on eBay, Amazon, and I found this. You guys will see what it is in a second. And we were specifically looking for ones that didn't come from China, not because of Corona or anything, just because of shipping times. We didn't want to wait like a month for it to ship. So we found one, we ordered it. Turns out it was from China, they lied to us, so it came way later than it was supposed to. But we finally just got it, and I'm going to unbox it now. I'm really excited. So let's get the overhead cam. So right here we have the box, very high quality box. It's very nice. I obviously rewrapped it, because it'd be weird if I opened it and it wasn't my thing. But let's dig in. All right. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we got some tools, Allen wrenches. Put that aside for now. Get rid of the camera, the knife. We got the wooden handle, and basically all this thing is just a couple of bars. You'll see in a minute. I'm looking at a picture right now on my computer, because I don't want to mess this up and I don't actually know what it's supposed to look like, so boom. Okay, so I guess we'll just go ahead and start. So here's the camera. Okay, so you take the bottom, you put this here, let's move the camera. Take the bottom and you put the rod on top, facing out like this. And then you just take the Allen wrench. Okay, so I'm not gonna tighten that all the way, just to make sure it's straight. And then you put the top one on, very simple. So the camera goes on this on the bottom, and then here, this attaches to this here on the camera. So it's double secure. It's secure from the bottom and the top. So, I guess we'll put the camera upside down for now. This, like this. I think I'm doing this right. I hope I'm doing this right. It's not that complicated. Screw this on. Just make it hand tight for now. And then this goes over top. Yeah, this is really big. It's a little too big. Hold up. Oh my god. Why is this so... this is hard. Why is this so hard? Is it... Oh, I have it on backwards, that's why. Do I? Okay. So I need the big Allen wrench. I don't understand why there's 3 wrenches. Oh my god. Why are these so tight? I guess this robot was having a bad day. Wow. Okay. Okay, so I didn't want it to have to come to this, but I'm gonna have to watch the tutorial on how to do this. As sad as it is, I am going to have to do this. Okay, so I finally fixed the issue. It's okay. It was supposed to come with a large rod, which I got, and a smaller rod that's like half the size of this. Didn't come with a smaller rod. Kind of unfortunate because this camera's small and the big rod is too big, but I mean, it works. It looks fine. So, it's not about looks either. So this is all working. Now it's time for the wooden handle. Now I'm excited for this because this kind of looks cool. It feels good. Now I'm not sure which side it's supposed to go on because the thumb hold is right here, but it's supposed to go on the other side. So I think I'm just not gonna be able to have the thumb hold, which kind of sucks, but we put this in here. I mean, these are hand screws too, so it's pretty easy. Screw these ones in. I mean, it works. It works pretty good. I'm gonna actually put it lower so it's level with the other one. That feels really good. I mean, that feels good. Feels solid. I think this is meant for like handheld and like smooth shots. If I'm just doing this, this is harder to keep balanced because it's kind of wobbly. But this, you got a strong grip. I like this. I like this a lot. And I don't even have the top handle on. The top handle is gonna help even more with that. So let's install that now, and then that is pretty much done. But when I do the top handle, it goes up here like this. I don't know, I think I'm gonna have it go forward like that. You could have it go backwards like this, but I don't really like that. I'm gonna have it go forward like this. There are these here, I'm assuming this is what goes on it, because there's no other screws anywhere except for that one extra. So let's do that. And there's also this thing on the top. This is a bracket for the microphone. And I'm gonna take this off and put it on the side, just because it gives it a little bit more flexibility. Okay, that's in, and last one. Done. All right, that feels good. Don't know. I don't know if I like this. Yeah, no, I'm putting it on the other way. I don't like the way this feels. It's gotta be perfect. Cause, you know, it's just, this is my first real, like, camera cage, and it looks dope. I mean, it makes my camera look that much more professional for the tiny, not so great camera it is. I mean, look at this. Look at it. I think this is on backwards, but I like it better this way. Because you can go like down below, you can't see this, but you can do like low shots and you can, I just didn't like it over here. But yeah, this is awesome. This is awesome. For $60, this really works if you are a camera person and you're trying to get better at your handheld shots. I would recommend this. I'm gonna put the link to this in the description. I got it on eBay for like $10 less than it is on Amazon because I'm cheap. But I'll put the link from Amazon in the description, and if you want to check it out, you can. It's a very, very good quality thing. It has its flaws, obviously. Nothing's perfect for the price of $60, $70, $80, but I like it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy. Please subscribe. It's free. It helps me out a lot. You can always just unsubscribe later. Please, 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 100 subscribers. Maybe even more. That would make me so happy. Like, comment, all that jazz, and I guess that's it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.